कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
आपत्कालीन परिस्थितीत सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची भूमिका असता ती म्हळ्यार उजो पालोवपी दळाची. उजो पालोवप रस्ते अपघात, भूंयकाप, हुंवार, उद्देगीक धोके आनी हेर आपत्कालीन परिस्थितीक लागून जिवीत आनी मालमत्तेचें लुकसाण जावचें न्हय म्हूण उजो पालोवपी दळ सदांच तयार आसता. उजो पालोवपी दळांतले जवान अशा तरेच्या आपत्कालीन परिस्थितीत आपलो जीव धोक्यांत घालून असली संकश्टां हाताळटात. मात कांय खेपे घडणुकेची सुवात सोदप दळाच्या जवानांक कठीण जाता. ह्या समस्यांचो सुटावो करपा खातीर उजो पालोवपी दळान एक ॲप तयार केला. अग्नी संदेश अशें ह्या ॲपाचें नांव. 29 नोव्हेंबर 2024 मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंतान ह्या ॲपाचें लोकार्पण केल्लें अशी माहिती उजो पालोवपी आनी आपत्कालीन सेवा संचालनालयाचो संचालक नितीन रायकर हांणी दिली.
The mobile application Agni Sandesh is developed aimed at improving the efficiency and responsiveness of incident call dispatch and incident tracking. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant launched Agni Sandesh app on 29th of November 2024, marking a major step towards the tech-driven governance. Under the Goa Chief Minister Apprenticeship Policy, Sri Milroy Gomes was appointed as an IT support executive in the communication section of the Fire Force Headquarters, Santines, Panaji. During his training period, he developed the Agni Sandesh mobile application to enhance the incident call dispatch and tracking, aligning with the department's goal of modernizing the general public delivery at large. आमचे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतचे मार्फत अप्रेंटिसशीप पॉलिसी जेणे ती फॉर्म केल्ली आहा ती स्किमी बद्दल आमी असले टॅलेंटेड भुरगे आमी घेतले आनी तेजो चडांत चड आमी डिपार्टमेंटाक फायदो करून घेतलो. स्टेट डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट ऑथॉरिटी, प्रिंट एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया, ट्रॅफिक पोलीस आनी स्टेक होल्डर्स, जनरल पब्लीक हांकां चडांत चड हेजो फायदो जालोच आसतलो.
अग्नी संदेश विकसीत करपी मेलरॉय गोम्स हांणी हे ॲपाचो कसो वापर करप तशेंच ॲप कशें फायदेशीर आसा ताची म्हायती दिल्या.
अंडर द अप्रेंटिसशीप स्किमाचे आयिल्लो, सो म्हाका 1 year ट्रेनिंग जाल्लें. So under this training, I have seen how the control room was functioning, and I have seen some areas where they were getting issues with technology. So I had to streamline the operation. So with the help of our website developer Alan Logo from Technotrix, with him I have come up with this app to develop to make them easier and for other people also. So the app name we have given by the department has given the app name is Agni Sandesh. So if we talk about the functioning of the app, this is how the app is going to look. It is going to consist of a Google authentication, which is very seamless. You don't need to put a password, nothing. Everything is done through Google only. This is how the app is going to look. So if we talk about the feature of the app is going to consist of a SMS option, where once you enter all the details and if you press submit, it will go through NIC SMS gateway, which sends SMS, that is normal SMS, as well as email and through WhatsApp. So we don't have only one option. We're going to have 3 options of this. It is better to have more than one options. So other than that, this is for authorized use only. And this is benefited to the district disaster management, the department as well, and the press and the public. So what public sees is the geo-reference information of the incident details on the map. So if you click on the marker, you get a description of the map. As well, you get a list view of the description which is happening 24 hours in time. There's another function which helps in type of stations, categorizing by station count, as well as a type of counter. So this helps the department to monitor and respond reporting of the information of the incident. So हे आता आम्ही केला ते झाले. So आम्ही या डिपार्टमेंट आता यूज करता कितें जालें की पेंजिमान फोकस जाल्ले सगळे कडेन. So out of other stations were not having this functions and everything. So आता कितें जाला आता सगळ्यां कडेन पावला ते. So it is we have to see how the functioning is. So sometimes what happens, they add a call and then what happens like they feel like something is missing, so they add another call. So तो मासे issue आता है. So to tackle all the issue, we have going around to see what is the current condition which is happening. Nah, available है public can see everything, all the information and everything. So if they feel like there's some problem, I think they always can have a feedback on what is the issue with the app and we can improve it.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर विनायक सामंत.